Lesson 19 Reading with Understanding. In text questions 19.1 1. Put a tick mark against the statements that are correct and a cross against the ones that are wrong. 1. On a moonlight night, an elderly couple came to a small hotel in Philadelphia. Answer false. 2. The hotel was full and the couple could not get a room. Answer true. 3. The clerk was both efficient and strict. Answer false. 4. The clerk offered him room to the couple. Answer true. 5. Complimenting the clerk, the elderly man said he should be working in the best hotel in United States. Answer true. 6. The old man sent a letter to the clerk with a round-trip ticket to New York. Answer true. 7. The old man had built a grand hotel in Philadelphia. Answer true. 8. The old man asked the clerk to be the first occupant of that hotel. Answer false. 2. Choose the correct alternative. 1. The elderly couple came to a hotel which was a big ground. C. Fully occupied. Answer C. Fully occupied. 2. The clerk told the couple that there were no rooms available in the hotel as A. Most of the rooms were locked. B. The night was stormy. C. There were 3 conventions being held in town. Answer C. There were 3 conventions being held in town. 3. The clerk's room was not big but it was A. Airy, B. Clean, C. Comfortable. Answer C. Comfortable. 4. The old man told the clerk he would A. Send him a check, B. Build a grand hotel, C. Call him to New York. Answer B. Build a grand hotel. 3. Words from the passage are given on the left. Select words from the box which mean the same and write them in the blanks. Insisted, a hearty laugh, extraordinary, grand, charming, magnificent, dash, winning, smile, dash, pressed on, dash, exceptional, dash, a good laugh, dash. Answer magnificent, grand, winning, smile, charming, pressed on, insisted, exceptional, extraordinary, a good laugh, a hearty laugh. For which of these would be a suitable title for this story? A. Friendly man with a winning smile. The manager of a magnificent hotel. The reward of a good deed, a true story. Answer the reward of a good deed. In text questions 19.2, 1. Answer these questions. 1. What is our wonderful world full of? Answer. Our wonderful world is full of beauty, charm and adventure. 2. What would Nehru do if he had more time? Answer. If Nehru had more time, he would visit the nooks and corners of India. 3. Why would he like to go in the company of bright young children? Answer. He would like to go in the company of bright young children because their minds are opening out with wonder and curiosity. 4. Which places would he like to go to? Answer. He would like to go to the mountains, forests, rivers and old monuments. 5. What would be the most exciting adventure? Answer. Going to the forest and seeing the wild animals would be the most exciting adventure. 6. If we have love in our hearts, what do wild animals do? Answer. If we have love in our hearts to the wild animals, then they would not attack us. 7. How do human beings behave if we dislike them? Answer. If we dislike them, they would also dislike us in turn. To complete these sentences, 1. We can find adventure if we seek it with our dash. Answer. We can find adventure if we seek with our eyes open. 2. After visiting monuments, we learn something more about dash. Answer. After visiting monuments, we learn something more about Indian history. 3. Flowers gives dash and color to our world. Answer. Flowers give life and color to our world. 4. While watching the birds, we should be able to dash. Answer. While watching the birds, we should able to recognize them. 5. People who kill animals are dash. Answer. People who kill animals are foolish. 3. Given below are a few words. Find their antonyms, words of opposite meaning from the passage and write them in the blanks given. A dull, force, domesticated, less, least, old, intelligent. Answer. Dull, bright, force, friends, domesticated, while, less, more, least, most, old, new, intelligent, foolish. 4. Give a suitable title to the passage. Answer. Discovering India.